I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting inside WhatsApp. Open the chat and tap the message box to summon your keyboard. Once done, switch to the Emoji panel. This saves time versus scrolling. If your keyboard has an emoji search bar, tap it now. Otherwise, use WhatsApp's emoji picker icon. Make sure your keyboard app supports emoji search, because that's why this method works. You'll move quickly in the next step to pinpoint the evil eye without endless scrolling, so be ready to type and filter. Now you'll search. Type precise keywords like evil eye, amulet, or local terms such as Nazar. You want to filter emoji results so they pop up immediately. Once you see candidate emojis, compare their appearance to the classic blue amulet. Make sure to try alternate spellings and language variations if nothing appears. If your keyboard returns image stickers or GIF, tap the emoji tab specifically. This focused searching prevents endless manual scanning and gets you the correct symbol faster. Tap the evil eye emoji to insert it into your message, then double-check how it looks in the composer because platform rendering varies. Once satisfied, press send and confirm the recipient sees the correct symbol. Make sure they are on a modern app version. If you can't find the emoji, update WhatsApp or your keyboard app, or install a third-party emoji keyboard that supports the Nazar symbol. As a troubleshooting tip, clear keyboard cache or restart your device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.